Hello everyone, greetings. In today's video I'll be doing something new I have never done before. Cooking for the first time. Okay guys, let's see how it ends. To all my subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and to all my new subscribers, feel at home. In case if you find this video for the first time, consider being one of the family by subscribing. Okay guys, let's see our cooking. Hello guys, today let me show you how I prepare my food. This is spinach. Yes, and I don't cut the stem. This is the stem for the spinach. This is how I do it. I cut small. Then the whole leaves aside. Yes, and here I have some meat here. Just preparing this. This is meat. Although it is frozen. I don't know. Yeah, it is frozen. Yeah, you can see, very frozen. Yeah, so I have spinach, I have my meat here, and I have my sufuria here. Okay, let me find some. And here I have onion. Time for me to peel the onion. Yes. This is my onion. I don't use big the big onion, so I'm going to chop it. Let me use this one here. Do you know how to chop the onion? Let me remind me of my days. I used to do this. I was a chef. You can see the way I'm doing it very fast. Yeah, I have my onions ready. And here I have my tomato here and the oh, I will use this one. I don't like a lot. And see how I'm doing it. Done. I have my tomato here. Done. Okay, it's now time for me to do the rest. Yeah, I'm going to put my onion first. Sorry guys, my onion first. You can see my onions here. Then put some some oil. Okay, now it's time for me to fry it and see the rest. See you when the my food is ready. Okay, guys, let me go to kitchen. Guys, let's continue proceeding with my preparation for my food. See you when the food is ready. This is my vegetables, start with spinach and tomato. I'm going to add here. Okay, guys, let's see the result. Check, guys, it is progressing very well. You can see the result is coming up very well. Let's continue. I think now it's almost ready. I'm waiting for to put some water for the ugali. Let me test. Yeah, this one here. Uh, cooking without testing. Let me test this one to see if it is ready. Fantastic. Okay, guys, now it's time to prepare for ugali, and my water it is already boiled, so I'm going to add some flour here. Let me show you some flour here. This is the flour. Then I'm going to stir it. Okay, guys, this is how we do it. I put some flour. Yes, some flour. Then I stir. Okay, guys, only that and order of that tripod to give you the best view. Let me start it, then I will show you the results. This is our ugali. It is almost ready. Yes, you can see. Ugali is this is a mixture of, not mixture, this is a maize that is grated to give you this flour, maize flour. Yeah, that is. You can see. Okay, guys, let me finish, then I will show the result. Check, after my ugali is done, I put it here. This is how we do it to give you the best shape. Okay, let's see the result. You can see my ugali, the shape I made. This is the shape I made. You can see how it has come out. Very nice one, very clean. And here is our Mboga. This one here, you can see. Let me put some meat here side. Yes, some meat. Yes. Then the greens. The greens. You can see, very nice one. And you know, I have some stew, very small stew kwa mbali kidogo. Yes, guys, this is our result. You can see it. I don't know if you can. I'm sorry, I have stew. You can see it. This is the result of my cooking. Rate it. Can you rate it? Okay, let me test first. Already my hands are clean, so don't judge me. Very nice one. Very nice one. Oh. Okay guys, see you in our next cooking. This is, I just started to try. How can you rate it? Is it good? How can you advise it to do? I know there is positive and negative comments. Share it to me. I will appreciate everything. See you, is your boy Mike Mulu. See you in the next video. Bye. Let me finish this one and enjoy, guys. Thank you.